Hello everybody, here we are again from southern Argentina testing uh, running on diesel fuel this two-stroke generator. It's very small, it's meant for camping. And here we are experimenting with inverter 600 watts 12 volts to 220 volts AC, not exactly AC, it's more like square wave. And here we are preparing the mix. This is the oil. You have to put 100 cubic centimeters. They are already there. And here's the big bottle of oil. But the generator is running on diesel fuel now. It has a small amount of regular gasoline yet. Still it has. And this is the, never try this at home, please. It's not the first. You must to go to break the circuit outside. So here is the circuit breaker. This is the master one switch. It's in off position, so it's not going to have conflict with the grid. So right now I don't have I am off the grid because something else, but there you have it's repaired already. It's repaired. This is the two-stroke generator. It's very basic, very small. It has a power output of almost 600 watts, 2 HP, 2 horsepower. So here is the regular fuel. It has another color, as you see. It has almost 10 liters. Almost 10 liters. This is regular fuel, regular gas. It's a kind of green, blue color. And we are about to prepare the mix because well, I don't have any more diesel fuel. And I so far finished all the tests. All the tests are done, and I don't know. It works, but it's not the best thing to do. I don't know clearly what's the lubrication, what are the specifications. It's not very clear. And there you have the mix. Is you only must shake the bottle. We are fine. So leave your comments and leave your suggestion or whatever you want to say in the comments. Let me know. See you guys.